Hey folks, Redbeard here at Timewood Toyota here in Whitestown, Indiana, and today I'm sitting in the 2020 Toyota Rav4 Limited. And today in this video I'm going to go over the steering wheel controls and the multi-information display on this vehicle and show you how everything works. If you like this video, go ahead and show your support. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit your bell notifications as well, and be sure to subscribe so you can know when the latest content comes out. If you have any questions about anything in this video, feel free to leave a comment in the box below. And also, my contact information is in the box below as well. You can contact me directly as well. And now, let's check it out. Starting with the steering wheel, on the left side, this area right here controls the information screen in the middle. And then of course the OK button there helps you select things. This is your back button and your hang up and answer button for your phone. You also have volume and voice commands, which voice commands can be used for many different things, such as making phone calls, your navigation. Also can be used for things like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On the right hand side, you have your dynamic cruise control, your lane keeping, and your basic cruise control, on off, speed settings, and cancel. And also you have a mode button that switches between audio sources and skip buttons here. Just in case you're wondering about these buttons here, this is the on and off button for your cruise. You see it's indicated in the left corner here. And zooming out, if you want to turn on the dynamic cruise, you have to be going over 32 miles an hour. Same with the lane keeping. You push that button, and as you can see, again, in this corner, those bars are the distance that you maintain with the vehicle ahead of you. Lane keeping, again, you hit this button here, and both you have to be going over 32 miles an hour. Moving on to the information display, you control that again with the steering wheel, moving left to right and up and down. Starting with the first mode here, you have your leaf, which shows you your fuel economy, and your economy score, telling you how you start, cruise, and stop well, and that helps you be a better driver. Your compass here, music information, how your all-wheel drive is performing. This gear wheel is the settings screen where you can turn on and off different safety features and aspects of the vehicle. And your messages here will tell you if anything's going on with the vehicle and indicate whether there's any warnings of things you should know about.